Hey, this is the big field. It's all the way up past the fence. That is a 6-foot fence. Water came up. Water is generally about 10 feet away from this fence. See it all in there. Right up to where the equipment is stored for the shed. And then if you walk around this way, go back a little, you can see the water comes right up almost to the side door. Trash can floated away. Then we'll move towards the back of the house. Now the water is all the way out at the back. If you look all the way back there, those little wooden things are the top of the benches that are on the dock. And you pull it all the way back to the house, you can see how much water is actually here. Oh, now I'm walking in it. How high up it came, man. Wow. It's a lot of water. This shed is about 3.5 feet off the ground. Not anymore. Hey, that's what we're gonna need. Alright, I'm gonna cut it and go to the front.